Disney Village is embarking on its biggest transformation yet, aimed at enhancing the whole experience of the dining, shopping, and entertainment district. As the next step in this ambitious project, from early 2024 onwards and for a duration of 2 years, all the shops and facades from Disney Store to Disney Fashion Junior will be progressively modified. Construction work that is scheduled to take approximately 2 years to complete will be carried out in 2 phases to minimize the impact on guest experience at Disney Village. The first phase, from early 2024 to the following autumn, will include the transformation of Disney Fashion Junior, and the Disney Gallery. These shops, which will benefit from large, transparent windows to make them more visible from the main promenade, will be completely remodeled inside. Once completed, the shops will feature new shopping concepts such as fashion and lifestyle, home decor, Disney art and collectibles, and the major Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars franchises. The shops will include new layouts, fittings, and decoration. The work also includes brand new facades to give Disney Village a new, more contemporary and inviting visual identity, with natural tones mixing wood, brick, and metal, creating a dynamic and unified impression. Large awnings will also protect guests from inclement weather. Finally, in the main outdoor area, extensive work on the grounds, surrounding landscape and lighting will be carried out to prolong the celebration of treasured Disney stories and experiences that guests are able to enjoy throughout the parks and hotels at the resort. Original graphics created exclusively for Disney Village, including unique contemporary visuals paying tribute to Disney characters and imaginary worlds, will ornate the main strip and the facades, continually surprising and enchanting visitors as only Disney can do. Disneyland Paris and McDonald's today announced the upcoming opening in early 2026 of a new McDonald's restaurant in the heart of Europe's leading tourist destination. Capitalizing on the success of the restaurant existing since 1999, McDonald's and Disneyland Paris wish to offer a new experience to their visitors. After a preparatory phase, work on the new restaurant will begin in September 2024, with an opening planned for early 2026. The current, very popular McDonald's restaurant will continue to operate during the duration of the work, until the opening of the new establishment located just next door. This new restaurant, with an innovative architecture designed exclusively for Disneyland Paris, is fully part of the Disney Village transformation program, which began at the start of this year, aiming to renew the guest experience by combining the best of Disney know-how with attractive family concepts and a completely reinvented design. Shopping enthusiasts will be delighted to discover the current shops are gradually being redesigned to pave the way for new experiences that will only be available at Disney Village. As part of a complete makeover and rebranding of most existing retail locations, 2 new Disney shop concepts will be introduced by the end of the year. A lifestyle stop with ready-to-wear clothing, jewelry, accessories, and new collaboration pieces, and a Disney home store with a selection of accessories and Disney collectible items so that all decoration enthusiasts can enhance their home interiors. Later on, and still under study, the current Disney store will welcome all major Disney franchises under one roof. Part of the store will feature a seasonal range of products, in line with the resort's celebrations or the latest Disney film releases. With these brand new offerings, Disney Village is bound to become the ultimate shopping destination for all guests who want to bring a touch of Disney magic into their daily lives. Additionally, the LEGO Group and Disneyland Paris are working on plans to continue their successful partnership, with a new and improved LEGO store in Disney Village expected to come by the end of the year. The newly refurbished LEGO store will feature exciting photo opportunities, awe-inspiring big builds, and interactive playstations, alongside the widest range of LEGO sets only available in the LEGO store. Guests will be able to find all LEGO Disney favorites, alongside other creative sets for LEGO fans, whatever their age.